Time to go to my doctor's appointment.
Hi, puppies. You'll be good boys.
And so my doctor's appointment, leash was stuck in the door. My doctor's appointment is just, I'm not going to find anything out. They're going to flush my port, draw labs, and do the blood work and make sure all my levels are okay. And if they're okay, then I get my chemo pills for the next 3 weeks. So, pretty straightforward. So I gotta drive to San Diego. So I have 28 miles to go, and we're going 13 miles an hour. I don't miss the city driving. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is 6 lanes wide. And I am going 60 miles an hour. And everybody else is going faster. I'm picturing a parking spot right up front. Dr. Constantini. Hi, Gary.
She doing great?
Dr. Constantini is happy with how I'm doing, and I am feeling strong, and I got the okay to get a tattoo if I want. She says do it on my week off of chemo. Still thinking about that. I think I want a compass on my foot, but I heard they hurt really bad on the foot, so I've been holding off. Anyways, I gotta wait for them to come in. They're gonna flush my port and draw blood for labs, and then I have to go across the street and pick up my chemo pills and go pay some bills at the hospital, and then I'm back on the road. But I think I'm gonna go to Ikea and pick up some stuff for the van build. So I got my chemo pills, and now I gotta go pay some bills at the hospital. But look at the pretty fountain. I like it. So all done with my appointment. We're leaving Scripps Mercy Hospital complex, whatever, and on our way to Ikea. I love Ikea. It's storage and color. I want to get a rug and maybe a cushion of some type for Hank's seat, and anything else that looks like would be useful for in the van. You see the kids jumping on the bed? Hi everybody. So I was stopped in Murrieta, I don't know if I pronounced it right, in California, and got my oil changed and filled up the gas tank, and went to Target because it was there. Now I'm back on the road, and I think I'm gonna drive to like maybe Parker tonight, and I want to see the new Queen movie, Bohemian Rhapsody. So I think I might go do that. I have until November 7th to get to the van build, and today's the 1st, so I want to go see some stuff until then. Lowe's. I want to get a new rug for in the back, and I stopped at Target, Walmart, and Lowe's, and can't find the one I want. So
I'll keep using this one until I find the right one. I sure hope this comes through. The sunset is amazing. These clouds are all fluffy, cotton candy pink. I think it is coming through. Yay! So I am on my way eventually to Lake Havasu, but I'm going to take a few days and see some sights between here and there. Thanks for enjoying the sunset with me. Oh, behind us it's pinky orange. But yeah, I can't show that. Sorry.